we have to indicate whether the fluid with the following characteristics is Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid. So we want to indicate that is it a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid. According to a Newtonian fluid, the definition says that it must obey the Newton of viscosity. So we have been given. Let us check for number one. We have one as what? We have our thought is AY plus B. So it must satisfy this, and we have and U is C1 plus C2Y plus C3Y2. So let us consider our U. Our U is C1 plus C2Y plus C3. Let us differentiate this with respect to Y. We are going to have du all over dy is equal to, if we differentiate this one with respect to Y, we don't have Y here, it will be 0. If we differentiate this one with respect to Y here, we have Y here. If we differentiate Y, we have 1. We have C2 plus. If we differentiate this with respect to Y square, we are going to have 2C3Y2 minus 1. So we are going to have C2 plus 2C3Y. So remember we have AY plus B here. So our C2Y, we have to what? I can write this one like 2C3Y plus C2. And remember in our Newtonian fluid, we must have a what? Viscosity, which is our torque. I can multiply throughout by 1. I'm going to have 2C3Y plus C2. So I'm going to have 2 mu C3Y, this is a mu, plus C2 mu, or mu C2. I'm going to have mu C2, that is a viscosity of C2. So from here now, I got C2 mu C2, where this is our viscosity, this is our viscosity for this. And if you remember this, what this is our torque is equal to what? AY plus B. So our A is what? Our A here is C3Y, and our B here is what? C2. If you look this, I've gotten this from here. That is our mu is 2 mu C3Y represent our A, and what? Viscosity C2 is what? Our B. So it means that what? Our number one satisfy it is a Newtonian fluid. That is our torque is AY plus B. That is our torque is what? C2C3Y plus C2. That is our AY. We are having AY as what? 2C3Y. Then we have our B as what? C2. So it behaves a Newtonian fluid. So let us consider the second example. Our torque is AY n L minus 1. Then we have U CYN. So let us consider our U CYN. Let us differentiate this, and we have d all over d dy respect to U, something like this. So we are going to have what? If we differentiate this one with respect to what? Y, we are going to have NCYN minus 1. That is NCYN minus 1. And if we have NCYN minus 1, you can see that this one is not related to as a Newtonian fluid. So it is not a Newtonian fluid. So since this expression is not as a Newtonian fluid, it behaves what? It is non-Newtonian fluid. Non-Newtonian fluid. So it is a non-Newtonian. It is a non-Newtonian. Since because it can what? It does not satisfy a Newtonian. That is, it's not in form of this. And we can what? We got it, and when it's not in form of this, we are getting n raised to the power of 1, which is not corresponding to what? To what we have gotten here before. So it is a what? It is a non-Newtonian fluid. So we have showed that our number one is a Newtonian fluid. Our second one is what? Non-Newtonian fluid. So this is a what? Number one is a characteristic of a Newtonian fluid. Number two is a characteristic of non-Newtonian fluid.